my name is Faye Goh. I'm from Malaysia and I'm the project manager for YKPM. It stands for Yayasan Kajian dan Pembangunan Masyarakat. Why our solution is innovative is because our model actually prioritizes linking access of Indigenous people products and fresh produce directly to commercial markets. One key problem that a lot of left-behind communities, particularly the Indigenous people, face is that they are able to produce high yields of crop but unable to attain markets to sell them and move these products. For our model, we're able to build long-term partnerships with national supermarket chains, and the scalability to absorb the produce is there ready for them as and when they're able to produce more. All the produce grown is organic and naturally grown without the use of chemical pesticides. With the Indigenous communities, there is already a wealth of knowledge within them. So our model also gives them the freedom to plant whatever produce they want, plant how much produce that they want to, and work however many hours that they wish to work around their clock. And so this actually attracts particularly women farmers and mothers of young children because they're able to work around their schedules and work from home. With the UNDP grant, we're hoping to expand to more villages, reach more people, increase the total volume of produce per month that we're moving through to supermarkets. We prioritize payment of 40% first to the farmers, and then every other stakeholder within the supply chain gets the cut after that. In this way, it creates and improves food security for generations to come within the community.